All right, my people, good evening. All right, so have you been thinking of the best platform to create your contents on? Trying to know the best monetizable platform. So I will urge you to watch this video to the very end. So this video, I'll be comparing all platforms that are monetizable and tell you their views and the amount of dollars they pay. So you will not be able to decide on the best platform to pick. So watch this video to the very end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section of this video. Let's go to the main video proper. All right, so in recent times, a lot of people are contemplating on the best platform they will start their content creation journey on. Some are considering Twitter, some are considering TikTok, while some are considering Snapchat, Facebook, or YouTube. So this video is going to be explicit to explain to you how to get your accounts monetized and as well or the best platform that you are going to use. So we are going to be comparing the payments range on all of these platforms. But before we go into that, I would like you to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. So on Twitter, Twitter is known as X currently now, but the name has always been Twitter. So the platform of X, they have their payment plans, and they have their price range they pay, and you must also be, active on the platform. You should have a large number of audience, so which I will not go deeply into telling you the details. We are just trying to compare the payment range of all of these platforms. So we are going to start from Twitter, right? Now, when you have met all the necessary requirements for being monetized, now Twitter is going to pay you in terms of reach, your views, and then for 1 million views, Twitter is paying $8 for 1 million views. That means before you get $8, you have to get 1 million views for you to get $8. So if you want to get $80, you have to times it as 10 million views, right? So you could imagine how viral your content should get to before you get up to 1 million views. And this could be in terms of cumulative views. It must not be one singular view as the case may be, right? So having said this, now Twitter seems to be a bit more difficult and the lowest paying platform. Yes, Twitter is a bit more difficult and the lowest paying platform. Elon Musk boys are really trying, but if you compare it with other platforms, you will know that Twitter is the least of them all. So the next platform we are going to compare will be TikTok. Now, TikTok, for most of us that wants to get monetized on TikTok, it will be good that you know that TikTok cannot monetize any Nigerian account. So if you want to have your account monetized, you must use a UK account or a foreign TikTok account before you can get it monetized. So don't bug yourself with using your Nigerian account because you're not going to be monetized, right? I'm talking from experience, so I'm not talking from what I read on a book or anywhere or whatsoever. So if you want to do TikTok, please open a new account that will be a UK account or any other foreign-based account, please. Very important. Then you now start afresh to grow. So when you have met up with the requirements, they will welcome you to their studio, right? Their partnership program where you sign up and then you start earning. So for TikTok, they pay $600 for 1 million views. TikTok pays $600 for 1 million views. So you could imagine the difference from Twitter and TikTok. Twitter paying $8 for 1 million views, while TikTok is paying $600 for same 1 million views. That is over 582 $582, right? Fine, that makes it 600. So imagine the fact that if you're on those two platforms, the difference of earning will be so drastic and so much. So after this, now the next account that monetizes is Snapchat. Now Snapchat pays $1,000 for 1 million views, right? So this Snapchat tends to be more lucrative for some ladies who do exclusive content, who do fans only content. I know you know what I mean, right? Because that is where they sell most of their, you know what I'm saying, right? Fine. So Snapchat pays $1,000 for 1 million views. So that is the third highest paying platform on social media. So the next we have is Facebook, right? Now, Facebook originally, currently now, since Nigerians got monetized, their payment range has reduced drastically, right? So, but currently or originally, they pay $2,000 for 1 million views. Facebook pays $2,000 for 1 million views. You must have as well met up with the requirements, and get your account monetized before you can start earning all of these things. It takes processes, so which you can, check online, the process of getting it done. Now, the next we have here is YouTube. Now, YouTube is the father of them all. YouTube is the first ever platform that pay content creators, and with time they have improved or increased their payment fee, and their rate is so mouth-watering in the sense that they take 30% of the money and pay the creators 70%, unlike TikTok and Facebook that takes almost half of the percentage of your earnings. So for YouTube is paying a whopping sum of $4,000 for 1 million views. That is the highest ever on any monetizable platform. So YouTube is the king of all of these platforms, right? So now this goes to show you that it is very, very lucrative for everyone or anyone who really wish to get account monetized in this year to start from YouTube. Now YouTube, if you have observed, some Nollywood content filmmakers now base or try to produce movies only for YouTube. They don't go about doing this normal shooting of plates, cassettes, and all those stuffs. They do mostly YouTube and cinema, right? So that shows that YouTube is lucrative, because if it's not lucrative, they will not be posting those contents on YouTube. So, and this goes to show you that YouTube does not have a limitation, or you don't need anyone to help you to open the account. You can do that by yourself and start posting. And one thing I like about YouTube is that once it gets to the level of monetization, they will send you an email. You will see everything in your phone, to tell you that you have now been qualified to join the YouTube partnership program. So if this is what you want to learn or what you want to join this year, kindly drop the comments, drop your questions or whatever in the comment section of this video, and I will go ahead to make more videos of directing you guys how to create a channel, how to create a content, how to shoot a content. You don't need to get the biggest gadgets in the world. You have to start from whatever you have, from your phone, from your mic, your source of lightning, and that's all you need to do, and your content tools. So YouTube is the father of them all. So I am trying to encourage you guys to start with YouTube first. If you not have the time and the energy, to post the same content on YouTube, on other platforms, there's no problem. Bear in mind, you can use one content, that's your videos, and post in all platforms, and they will still get monetized, right? But you cannot post that same content on the same platform twice. It will be called reused content. So these are more what you should know about content creation. So this video must have given you the insight to choose the best platform you will use to pursue your social media monetization and earnings. And also be in mind that your audience, your audience has a lot to do with your payment. That's if you have more of Nigerian audience on YouTube, your payment seems to be low. If you have higher audience from America, USA, Australia, Austria, New Zealand, China, Korea, you tend to have higher revenue. It's called higher RPM, right? So if you are making a content, also try to target contents that can be accessible or accessed by foreigners. Don't make only Nigerian-based content. Make it like a global content that anyone needs, and then pray that your audience will be from foreign countries and you'll be having more earnings. Some will go as far as having $13 per 1K view, right? So that is a very whooping sum of money for any channel that is monetized and that has great number of views. So I think this video has done justice to its topic and to its title. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now.